How to see channels you subscribed on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on how to see channels you have subscribed to on YouTube. Subscribing to a YouTube channel is a great way to stay updated with your favorite content creators. So let's get started. To begin, open your YouTube application on your mobile device or visit your youtube.com website on your computer. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of options. You can click on it and you'll find subscriptions options on them. Here you'll find list of all the channels you have subscribed to. You can scroll through the list of results to see all the channels you have subscribed to. If you are using the YouTube app, you can also tap on the subscription button on the bottom side of the screen to access your subscribed channel. You can click or tap on any of the channel names to visit their official channel page and see their latest videos on them. Remember, subscribing to a YouTube channel means you will see their new videos in your subscription feed, making it easy to keep up with your favorite creators. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know to see the channels you have subscribed to on YouTube. With a few simple steps, you can stay connected with your favorite content creators. Thanks for watching.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.